Good afternoon and welcome to beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're coming aboard Happy 6, a 2007 Four Winds Vista 378. It's a very clean boat. It's equipped with Volvo D6 370s coupled to IPS drives, full camper canvas with screens, a large hardtop with rod holders, big table, filler cushion for the table downstairs. Here's your entertainment area, ice maker and refrigerator, flip out trash can, plug, spot for the blender, and hookups for the TV right here. A nice bench seat for your companion, as well as a dual helm seat. Brings you to the helm, the IPS joystick, Raymarine E80, radar, GPS plotter, Raymarine autopilot, Raymarine depth finder, and Uniden VHF. Beautiful stainless windshield cap. Another nice feature of this boat is the ample walk-through windshield, easy stairs. A wide expansive bow pad up front, 4 fender holders, remote control spotlight. We'll make our way into the cabin now. The inner door is for a screen, which is located downstairs. Not much use for them here. Beautiful teak and holly sole in the galley. Sharp TV, tap-in microwave, 2-burner stove. Very nice big refrigerator freezer here. And another large refrigerator here, in addition to the fridge up top. Built-in Black & Decker coffee maker. I see filters, but this thing doesn't look like it's ever been used. Looks brand new. Let's take a look towards the mid-cabin. That table pops up by going a stanchion in the floor there. The footstools are movable. And with the push of a button, that couch drops down and converts to a bed. There is a privacy curtain that comes around on the track to block that off. Really nice Salon couch. Nice dark ultra leather. All storage beneath that, as well as storage above in the cabinets there. Very light and airy in this boat. Nice mirror there. Hello. Master cabin is forward. It's a comfortable innerspring mattress. It is a large bed. Of course, you have an opening deck hatch, reading lights, side storage lockers, another storage locker with shelves, another television in here. This boat does have the direct TV system, multiple receivers, cedar lined hanging lockers. All right, let's take a peek in the head. Big head, big vented window, as well as an overhead opening hatch, stainless steel bowl, and a large stall shower. The shower includes a seat and is all full fiberglass lined with an acrylic door. Full-length mirror on the back of the head door. And that'll conclude our tour of this beautiful Vista Four Winds 378 with the Volvo diesel IPS. Thanks for watching. Give Mike Ehrlich a call to come see the boat or buy the boat. Thank you.